Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's close to our hearts, the importance of sharing a meal in cementing relationships. Whether it's with friends, family, or even colleagues, there's something truly magical about coming together over food. Ever wondered why some of your most cherished memories revolve around food, or why some of the best conversations happen around a dining table? Today we're exploring the profound power of sharing a meal in fostering relationships and creating a sense of belonging. When we come together to share a meal, we're doing more than just satisfying our hunger. We're creating a space for connection, conversation, and community. We're making memories, celebrating milestones, and creating a sense of togetherness that transcends cultural and social boundaries. Breaking bread together is a universal ritual that helps us bond with one another. It's a time when we can put aside our distractions and focus on the people in front of us. It's a moment to share, to listen, and to understand. But the power of food doesn't just lie in the act of eating together. It's also about the process of preparing a meal. Whether it's trying out a new recipe or sticking to a cherished family tradition, cooking together can forge deeper connections and create lasting memories. Sharing a meal is also deeply ingrained in our cultural fabric. Across the globe, food is seen as a symbol of hospitality, friendship, and love. It's a way of showing respect and care for those we hold dear. And when we open our homes and our hearts to others, we create a space for intimacy, a space where we can share our thoughts, feelings, and stories without fear of judgment. So, the next time you're looking to strengthen a bond, deepen a friendship, or simply catch up with a loved one, consider inviting them to share a meal with you. You might be surprised at how a simple act can create such profound connections. In summary, sharing a meal does more than just fill our bellies. It fills our hearts with warmth, our lives with memories, and our relationships with depth and meaning. So go ahead, set the table, cook up a storm, and create connections that will last a lifetime. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on Shona Proverbs. Hopefully, this video on building meaningful connections clarify the meaning of the Shona proverb we're looking at today. What do you think? Until next time, remember, good food, good friends, good times. Cheers.